Hi guys, we're back. Today is Easter Sunday and we thought we'd pop out to the Cool Cow Company to get some delicious milk to go with our chocolate Easter eggs. This is our first trip to the Cool Cow Company, so we thought we'd take you along with us. Let's see what we can find. Here we are, just about to arrive outside the front of the Cool Cow Company vending machine. As you can see, it's an easy process. You just follow the on-screen steps like William is doing here. If any of you can guess what flavour William has chosen, please write it in the comments and we will let you know who's got the correct answer. If you think you can guess all 5 flavours, please add them in the comments and we will see who has got the correct answer.
Hey everyone, just as a reminder, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned to our latest videos.